Hey everyone, I'm Sarah.
I'm Laura.
And we're the Wandercooks. Welcome to our channel.
Here you'll discover hundreds of recipes that we've gathered from around the world. We are so excited to share with you all of our behind the scenes, all of our tips, everything you could want to know about each of our recipes.
We're going to give you the skills, the techniques, the substitutes, everything that you need to feel confident in the kitchen and smash out that next dish that you can be proud of. We love being able to make sauces from scratch so you don't have to go to the shops and get that bottle. You can make it so easily at home. We are here to inspire your next meal, whether that is an okonomiyaki, a classic pavlova,
Korean kimchi to a Japanese udon noodle soup.
or you're really just wanting to dish up some biscuits for your grandma. It means so much to us that you guys follow along, you're cooking these recipes at home. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. It means the world to us, and you know that it makes every recipe that much better.
So that's us in a nutshell. We are looking forward to cooking with you.
Thanks for following along. This is Bonnie. She just burped.
Are we recording? Oh, thank God. Here you'll find our favorite recipes gathered from Japan, from Asia. Stop clapping!
Stop clapping.
Stop clapping. That sounded fantastic. No. This is going to be more interesting than the actual video.